Welcome to Kinderbook number 4. Are you ready? Let's start. Monday, 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 Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 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 Thursday, 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 Friday, 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 Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, 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 Monday comes again. Alright, so we're going to have a look at can and can't today, okay? So let's start with whistle. Whistle. Alright. I can't whistle. I can't whistle. I can't whistle. I can whistle. I can whistle. Yeah, I can. I can whistle. I can whistle. I can swim. I can swim. I can swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Hey, hey, hey! I can sing! Yeah! I can sing! Yeah, I can sing. I can sing. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I can't sing. I can't sing. No.
He's my daddy. He's my daddy. His name is Kazumi. Say hello, Kazumi. Hello. She is my mummy. She's my mummy. Her name is Machiko. Say hello, Machiko. Hello. She is my sister. Oh, actually, she is my big sister. Her name is Hiroko. Say hello, Hiroko. Hello. She's my sister. She is my little sister. Her name is Yuki. Say hello, Yuki. She's my grandma. She's my grandma. Her name is Tsuyako. Say hello, Tsuyako. He's my grandpa. Sorry, I didn't have a photo of my grandpa, but I drew this picture. So he's my grandpa. His name is Tomoichi. Say hello, Tomoichi.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. One more time.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good.
Okay, so today we're gonna have a look at some more actions, okay? Actions, and the first one is, oh no, I've only got my vest on. Okay, so the first one is get dressed. Get dressed. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's better. Okay, so get dressed. Get dressed. Okay. Oh, my hair. Okay, so the next one we're gonna have is brush my hair. Brush my hair. Okay. Brush my hair. Brush my hair. Okay? Alright. Oh, I ate breakfast. I ate brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Okay? Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Okay? Alright. Okay, and the last one. Very sleepy. Last one is go to bed. Okay? Go to bed. Go to bed. Good night. Okay, hello. So, we're going to try and practice some counting, okay? So, everybody knows like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes? Yes? Okay, but we're going to try and do some bigger numbers than that, okay? We're going to try and do some bigger numbers. So, are you ready? Try and count with me, okay? You ready? 10. 20, 30, remember I'm 35, 30, 40, okay. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, now we're going to through. Ready? 100. Oh, very good. Okay, we're going to keep going higher. Ready? 110. 120. 130. 140. 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Alright, very good. Okay, you can keep practicing. It's quiz time! Okay, so today we've been having a look at some characters, okay? Some characters. And some boy characters, some girl characters, okay? And I think you know from lessons before that when it's a boy, we say he, okay? He, okay? For example, you can say that he's Crayon Shin-chan, okay? He's Crayon Shin-chan. Also, he's Buzz Lightyear, okay? He's Buzz Lightyear, okay? But But then when it's a girl, we say, that's it, she, okay? So, for example, she's Dorami, okay? She's Dorami, okay? And she's Purikure, I don't know her name, but she's Purikure. She's one of the Purikures, okay? She's Purikure, she's Dorami, okay? Whereas we say, he's Crayon Shin-chan, and he's Buzz Lightyear, okay? But we also talked about I like, okay? We've done I like before, okay? I like, okay? And when it's he, when it's a boy, we say I like him. I like him, okay? But when it's a girl, okay, we say I like her, okay? I like her. All right. And it's the same thing with I don't like. So you can say I don't like him. I don't like him, okay? Or you can say I don't like her, okay? I don't like her. All right? So I'm going to show you with a few of my characters, okay? All right, so he is Anpanman. He is Anpanman. I like him. I like him. Okay. He is Conan. He is Conan. I don't really know Conan, so sorry, I'm sorry, but I don't like him. I don't like him. Okay? Sorry. Okay, let's go for some girls. She is Olive. Okay? Olive. She is Olive. Okay, maybe you don't really know her, but she's good friends with Popeye. I don't know if you know Popeye, but okay. She's Olive. I like her. I used to, when I was a little boy, I used to watch TV. I used to watch TV with Harold. I like her. Okay. She is Roll Panda. Okay, and I like her. I like her. Okay. All right. Should we try one more? He is Buzz Lightyear. He is Buzz Lightyear. I like him. I like him. Okay? He is Crayon Shin-chan. He is Crayon Shin-chan. And he always gets his bum out and goes, ooh, like that. So, I don't like him. I don't like him. He's always getting his bum out and going, ooh. I don't like him. Sorry. If you like him, I'm sorry. Okay, and then one more. She is Purikure. Okay, she is Purikure. Sorry. I don't like her. I'm sorry. Okay, and she is Dorami, and I don't really know her, so I don't know. Sorry, I don't like her either. I don't like her. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, we've had a look at he's, she's, and then I like him. I like her. I don't like him. I don't like her. Okay? Alright. So, while I've been talking, you should have been checking off your homework, okay? On your homework sheet, there's a thing for you to check off for Masa, okay? Whether I like somebody or I don't like somebody, okay? You should have checked by now, alright? And we'll check your homework next time, okay? Alright, so for now, good job. Oh no! Did you spot the mistake? On the homework sheet. Yeah, look, there was Mickey Mouse down there. Yeah. I didn't say about Mickey Mouse, did I? I like, I don't like. Okay, here's what you do. Next time, you're gonna have to ask me, okay? When you come to class next time, please come in and say, Masa, do you like Mickey Mouse? Okay? Do you like Mickey Mouse? Alright, next class, ask me, and then we'll check it together, okay? Okay, alright. This time, really, good job. Alright, so we're going to play rock, paper, scissors. Yes, but look, it's a different Masa, okay? We always have the same screen, so I thought I'd try and change it so you didn't get bored. Alright, so we're going to play rock, scissors, paper again, okay? You still need to say I win, I lost, or it's a draw, okay? But we're going to try a new one, okay? You ready? Okay. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I can't swim! I can't swim!